guys, it's Kat and Jay back with another video.
We are here at Disneyland.
So as many of you guys know, we do have the year pass because, you know, we just posted a lot on our Snapchats and all that. So we haven't been here in a while, and we were like, you know what, let's just go right now.
And we've never vlogged here, ever.
Hopefully it doesn't rain too hard later on in the day,
so we can keep recording. We're gonna go on to Matterhorn now, so we'll see you guys in a little bit.
Bye! First ride of the day.
They're like super checking her. She's little. Woo, woo, woo. No one saw.
That hurt.
She definitely. Okay,
I was like this. I was like.
They hit the brakes and she hit her face. Okay. I'm so excited. Here we go.
I'm almost like.
Okay, first of all, I ended the video accidentally because I was stressed. So pretty. Look.
Why is there Christmas music?
Let's see, do a little dance. Hey, 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 hey. You want to do it?
No. Whoa.
That's it.
I don't know how.
Ended it.
Am I clicking the right? Oh, I'm not even. I'm clicking the delete button.
Want to draw in like snowman?
Yeah, that's good. We're the first ones. Oh.
Check us? Did she check us? I didn't feel her check us.
She just said, can you pull up?
Oh my god.
It's so foggy.
Oh my god. Alright guys, so I'll go.
How do you dance this?
I don't know. Como que si soy bailarina yo. We are on our way to Indiana
Jones.
Didn't really record that one because it moves way too much and it's literally like
pitch black. Yeah, how? You're like Indiana,
like
Indiana,
that,
Indiana.
just like that. Where's my chopstick?
Where's the chapstick? We'll see you guys in a little bit.
Oh look, they opened that.
Whoa. Wow, it looks so nice.
Right there. I want to find my chapstick.
You lost it already?
Guys, look at the beautiful castle.
Look at the beautiful princess.
Oh, I hate you. I'm so dead.
Look how pretty. It looks so nice. I just love it here so much. People always ask us why you guys love going to Disneyland so much.
Or like, don't you ever get bored?
Exactly. I think the main part of it is because we like to spend time with each other and we're always together and we're always having a good time.
And whenever we do come, it's never like, oh, we're coming at 9 in the morning and leaving at 10 p.m. Like we come for like 4 to like 6 hours. So we don't get on every single ride every single time.
Yeah, we don't get bored and we don't get tired of this place.
Right.
Got that Disney Pass money?
I got that Disney Pass money.
Okay, so here we are.
Right now we're on our way to California Adventure.
JC's out here buying an apple because she can eat now. Yeah, before the braces, she was scared to break a bracket.
Thank you so much. You're welcome. Morning. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye. Have a good one. Let me see. Here we are. Disney California Adventure. Oh my god, they look like ghosts. I hope you eat it.
I am eating it. Oh my god. Look at that beautiful water.
Wow, it looks so pretty. Pixar P.
I'm just kidding.
Hola, mi amor.
Where should I put my Make me un poco loco, un poquitito loco. Yeah, 2 please, I'm sorry.
You're so needy. Un poco loco.
Poquitito loco.
Hold on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Jay, we're about to get in the first row.
Woo! Woo!
Okay, we did not think we were gonna get this freaking wet. Oh my goodness. We sat in the front seat. Look at us. Oh my god. We look like we just showered. Wow.
My damn saliva was coming out, okay? So we decided to get on the ride. They ask us how many we are, and she says 2. Can we, you know, go in the front? And I'm like, all right, whatever. Like, I guess,
How bad could it be?
Yeah, it's fun. But it started raining a little harder. And as soon as the ride takes off,
so we had the drops literally like
hitting our face
so hard, like I couldn't even open my eyes. I was like, ah, my saliva coming out, like everything, like we looked like crap.
We looked at each other and we were like, oh no.
Immediately we were like this. We were like, woo! And then that thing started dropping us.
We were like, oh hell no. Thank you guys for watching this week's video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let us know what you guys want to watch.
So yeah, thank you guys so much.
Peace and love.
See you guys next time. Peace.